man, it finally went away. Have you guys ever had like acid reflux? It, no acid reflux. What is that called? Like stomach here. It was bad in the morning. I couldn't. I was like, man. I was like, ugh. Finally, it's gone. Hey, anybody need a notebook? I got some notebooks here. These are extra notebooks if you need to. Anybody want a notebook? You good? Everybody good? Notebook? All right. All right. So one positive, find one positive angle that is coterminal with each given angle. What I said was that there's an infinite amount of answers here because it just keeps on going. So, for example, which I'm not doing that one, but for example, somebody asked me, what is another, something that is coterminal to 90 degrees? Well, 90 degrees is this. This is 90 degrees. But it spins like a spinner, like the wheel of fortune. It just spins forever if he just can keep on going forever. So it just spins. So in reality, another one that would end up at this 90 degrees would be spin it another go around. Not stop one time, but actually keep going, and then stop. What is this? Somebody please, how much is that? This red one I just drew, how much is this? Did somebody say 360 plus 90? What's 360 plus 90? 450. So 450 is coterminal to 90. Or another one that would be coterminal to it would be to do this. Instead of going up, I go down like this and end up at the same spot. So how much what is this right here? Not just 270 is what? Negative 270. So negative 270 is coterminal to 90. That's the idea. All right, here, let's go. So 240, let's go ahead and do 240. So 240 is right there. What would be a positive coterminal to 240? Let's say we don't stop. See, what I'm saying again is that let's not stop, but keep going and then stop. What is that? What am I going to do? How much is that? How much is this? How much is that? Anybody? How much is this? Wouldn't I just add 360? Basically, what you're doing is you're either going to subtract 360 or add 360. So here to 240, I'm going to add 360. So 240 plus 360. How much is that? 600. Is that 600? Is that 600? Yep. 600. So a positive one would be 600. So if I was to give me another one, it was 600. If somebody asked me find a negative one, well, instead of going positive, I'm going to go negative. How much is this then? And end up at this right here. What is this? Still on break, everybody? How much is this? How much is this? Come on. Huh? It is not 120, it's what? Negative 120. How can you do this? How can you do this? They're complementary, see? Because this and this, it's a circle. So it's going to be negative 120. It's negative 120. Yep, negative 120. All right. Let me give you some time to process this. Find one positive and one negative coterminal angle to negative 225. All right, go. Let me give you 5 minutes. Figure it out. who got it already? Let's see what you guys do. Do you really need to graph it? Maybe. Yeah, I guess. Let's go. Where'd it go? All right. So basically, you're going to go like this. Do you really need to graph it? We're starting here. Am I going to go up or down and white? And am I going to go up or am I going to go down? White. Down. Why down? Because it's negative. Yes? If it's positive, you go up. I just want to go there. What I'm saying is I just want to go there. So I'm going to go to negative 225. So you're like, where is it? Well, isn't this negative 90? Say yes. Isn't this negative 180? Isn't negative 270? So it's going to be somewhere here. Yes? Somewhere here. So I went negative 180. How much more do I have to go? How much more do I have to go to get to negative 225? 45, no? Negative 45, but it's 45, yes. So it's going to be right here somewhere. So negative 225 is this right here. That's negative 225. Now we're going to answer the question. Maybe if you do need to draw it, go ahead and draw it. So now, to answer the question is, find one positive angle. Well, wouldn't it be instead of going down, going to it? Couldn't I just go here and get to it? What is that? How much is this? $360 minus 225. How much is that? I don't know how to do this. 6. You borrow from 6? Is that 5? Is that 135? Is that 135 degrees? Yes? So it's 135 degrees, no? So this is 135 degrees. Or I could do, this is easier, no? Couldn't I just go a negative 3, so negative 225 plus a negative 360. How much is that? Because I'm not going to just stop there. I'm going to go another one and stop. So how much is that? Negative of what? 585. Negative 585. So negative 585. Yes? Yes? Oh, goodness. I'm going to give you, let's do one together. I don't know too many people with blank stares here. Let's do C. Give me an angle, and then you guys are gonna come up with a positive and a negative one. What is it? Anybody? All right, I'm gonna give it to you. Is it the same? All right. Give me a positive and negative coterminal angle to 225. Let's go. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. After a while, you just kind of figure it out. All right, give me a positive and a negative coterminal angle to 225. Did we just not? We barely just did this one, but it was negative. Let me calculate. Really? Oh, where? This? Yeah, this is. What's the negative, everybody? Just let's go going. What's the negative one? Answer? Negative 135? It doesn't have to be negative 135. It could be more. It has infinite amount of answers. So it's negative 130. And then the positive one would be what? 360 plus that is 585. Okay, I hope that everybody's okay with this already about coterminal angles. Let's move on. Problem 2. Sketch each angle in standard position and draw its reference triangle. All right, let's go. 45 degrees. That's reference triangle. All right. So this is where you always start. This is your the spinner. It's always like waiting always on the positive axis like this. So let's get to 45 degrees. Am I going to go up or am I going to go down? Up, because it's positive, yes? So 45 degrees is right in the middle right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and draw this ray, terminal side of there. Now it says to sketch each angle. Okay, I've done that in standard position. Draw its reference triangle. Here we go. Look, here's where people mess up on when you do reference triangles. On the side, you could go ahead and do this also. Everybody go ahead and draw a little another XY axis. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna do this. You're gonna do this. If it ends up in the first quadrant, it's gonna be always this as your reference triangle. If you end up in this quadrant, it's always one side would be the x-axis. So at the end, it's gonna be one. It's gonna be a bow tie. So it's gonna be one of the bow ties. So it's gonna be look at this butterfly bow tie. So it's either gonna be this one, this one, this one, or this one. It is never like this. It is never like this. Not these two, not this. It's always the butterfly here. So this, or this. All right? So when you draw a reference triangle, don't ever do this. If I ever catch anybody, I'll say, what? I told you not like this. And people are still going to do it. Oh, like this? No. It's always with one side on the x-axis. There, that's a reference triangle. Sketch each angle in standard position, draw its reference triangle. There it is. So this is called a reference triangle right here. All right, let's go to B. Go to negative 225 and draw its reference triangle. After a while, it just becomes repetitive. Are we going up or are we going to go down? Did I hear up? Well, if you're really smart, you could go up, and because you're doing some other weird math already in your head. but it's telling you to go down 225. So it's right here. But yeah, that's what that's negative 225. So now 180. Yep, that's it. So my reference triangle, is it going to go like this? Huh? No. How do I draw my reference triangle? One side has to be on what? On the x-axis? And it doesn't matter, just make it draw a triangle, yes. All right, we're good. That should be, there it is. And that would be probably this checking for understanding right here. Go for it, and I'm gonna walk around and check that you know how to do this. Yep. All right. So this is kind of pretty easy here for everybody. 210. That's 90, 180. So 30 more. So here it is, and boom, and that's done. Easy day. Yeah, just do the backside of that, and that's it. We're done for today. So get it done right now, so you have no homework. We're done.